Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So can you solve this under 5 seconds? People think that the answer is 16. So do you really think? How? 3 minus 7 as negative 4, 3 minus 7 as negative 4 and negative 4 times negative 4 as 16. Do you think the answer is 16? This is a wrong answer. Yes, you had it right. When in an expression you have given multiple operation like subtraction, bracket, in bracket there is a subtraction, then you have to follow PEMDAS rule. As for this rule, first you have to solve the parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication and division. Both have same priority, similarly addition and subtraction. So let's solve this one with the help of PEMDAS. So first solve the brackets. 3 minus 7 is negative 4 and here is 3 minus 7, and if there is no sign between a number and a bracket, then there is multiplication sign. Now we have two signs, that is subtraction and multiplication. So as per PEMDAS rule, we have to give priority to multiplication. So multiplication is between 7 and 4. So 7 times 4 is 28 and negative is positive. So and 3 plus 28 is 31. So what is the correct answer? 31, not 16. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.